Hello my internet friends, John Gibson here with I Need Examples. Today's example is how to find blank cells and populate them quickly with a few keystrokes. In our example, we need to populate all of the blank cells with the department Outdoors. To find all the blank cells, select the department column. In the ribbon, go to Home, go to Find and Select Go to Special. In the Go to Special dialog box, select on Blanks and click on OK. Now all the blank cells are selected. Next we need to fill in all the blank cells with the value Outdoors. Click on F2. This activates the editing mode for the first selected cell. Enter Outdoors, then press Ctrl Enter. Now all the blank selected cells are filled with the department Outdoors. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. Comment below if you would like to see examples on a specific topic. Have a wonderful day, and I will see you next time.